When you sit down at the table to enjoy a hot, freshly prepared home-cooked meal, you never actually eat alone. Inside your digestive tract is an ecosystem of 38 trillion microscopic guests, relying entirely on the food you eat to survive. Change your plate, and this landscape shifts. Studies show these bacterial communities expand or shrink in just a single day. Because this environment reacts so quickly, every bite of food you take acts as a direct command. Your daily choices decide exactly which species of bacteria will multiply and thrive and which will die off. Every meal serves as a biological blueprint. You are constantly building or breaking down your own internal wildlife sanctuary. To understand how we feed the sanctuary, we have to look at dietary fiber. The human body is entirely missing the physical tools needed to digest the complex fibers found in plants, but your gut bacteria possess the exact enzymes to dismantle these fibers through fermentation. As they digest, they release energy packets, a biological currency that fuels your body. These packets travel outward to maintain your colon, power your immune system, and signal your brain. Eating fiber is how you deliver raw materials to your microbial workforce. You pay them in fiber, and they manufacture your internal defenses. The traditional Indian Thali provides exactly what this ecosystem needs to function. Everyday staples like curd, idli, and kanji are created through natural fermentation. When you eat them, you are sending millions of live, helpful microbes directly into your gut to reinforce the existing community. At the same time, the complex carbohydrates found in dal and rajma serve as dense, high-quality fiber. They act as a steady food supply, nourishing the beneficial bacteria already living inside you. This chart shows how different dietary habits influence our internal health. The bottom half highlights a clear trend. As people consume more fermented foods, the red arrows show a significant drop in the signals that cause internal stress and swelling. A diverse, stable bacterial community calms the body's internal alarms. It reduces biological stress and keeps harmful inflammation under control across different seasons. These traditional recipes are highly sophisticated tools for ecosystem management. As urban life speeds up, those complex traditional meals are being replaced by highly processed snacks and convenient instant meals. These modern foods contain almost no fiber. Without it, your beneficial bacteria starve, collapsing the ecosystem's diversity. Desperate, the microbes consume your gut's protective mucus lining. As this barrier fractures, irritants leak into your bloodstream, triggering a constant internal alarm. Over time, this constant internal alarm makes the body more vulnerable. It creates the perfect environment for long-term health conditions like diabetes and heart disease to take root. The gut ecosystem can rebuild, provided you give it the right materials. But because every person's internal community is distinct, generic diet advice usually falls short. Your microbiome is as unique as your physical fingerprint. The specific combination of dal, vegetables, or curd that repairs one person's gut might not work for yours. This is where BugSpeaks connects modern diagnostic science with traditional food. It serves as a detailed, personalized map for your specific digestive tract. By testing your personal microbiome, BugSpeaks analyzes your specific internal population. It tells you exactly which traditional ingredients your 38 trillion guests are missing, so you can feed them exactly what they need. True health comes from understanding and nourishing your own unique inner world. Map your microbiome and fuel your life at BugSpeaks.com.